Hey there, content creators! Are you tired of rushing to upload your YouTube videos at the perfect time? Well, say goodbye to those last-minute scrambles because Content Studio has got your back. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule your YouTube videos like a pro. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Content Studio dashboard. You'll see a sleek interface with all your social accounts at your fingertips. To get started, click on the Compose drop-down menu and select Social Post. Now, here's where it gets exciting. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your connected social accounts. Scroll down until you find the YouTube section. Click on the YouTube account you want to schedule your video for. Simple, right? Once you've selected your YouTube account, the Post Composer will open. This is your creative playground. Add a catchy title and an engaging description for your video. Remember, this is what will grab your viewers' attention, so make it count. Now, for the star of the show, your video, click on the Add Media button and you'll see an option to upload a video. Select your perfectly edited YouTube masterpiece and Content Studio will start uploading it. While your video is uploading, see those icons below the text box. They're not just for show. You can save mentions, add custom UTM parameters to track your video's performance and CTAs. But wait, there's more. First up, emojis. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a good emoji? Click on the smiley face icon, and boom. Content Studio also lets you add hashtags to boost your video's discoverability. Click on the hashtag icon and you can create new hashtags or select from your saved ones. You can even set it to randomly choose hashtags for each post. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial elements of your YouTube video, the thumbnail. Take a look at this section labeled Custom Thumbnail. You've got 3 fantastic options to create the perfect thumbnail for your video. First one, choose suggested. Second, choose from video. Third, upload image. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. See that AI toolkit button? That's your gateway to content creation magic. Click on it, and you'll see a range of AI-powered tools. When you click on the AI caption generator, you'll see a box where you can describe your video idea. Content Studio isn't just about scheduling, it's packed with features to make your content pop. Now, you can even set the approximate word count, choose a voice tone, and decide if you want to include hashtags and emojis. Once you've set your preferences, hit that generate button and watch the AI work its magic. In seconds, you'll have multiple caption options to choose from. Each one is unique, engaging, and tailored to your input. You can even generate hashtags automatically. Just click Add to Editor and your chosen caption will be inserted into your post. It's that easy. Now, let's talk about those all-important YouTube settings. Scroll down, and you'll see a dedicated YouTube settings section. Here, you can choose whether you're posting a regular video or a short. You can add your video title, select a category, and even add it to a specific playlist. Don't forget to add some relevant tags to help YouTube understand what your video is about. You can also set your video's privacy settings, decide if you want to make it embeddable, and choose whether to notify your subscribers. And there you have it. With Content Studio, you're not just scheduling your YouTube videos, you're optimizing them for success. From AI-generated captions to emoji-filled descriptions and perfect settings, you've got everything you need to take your YouTube Gator team to the next level. Alright, we're in the home stretch now. Let's dive into the scheduling features that make Content Studio a fantastic tool for your YouTube strategy. Scroll down to the posting schedule section. You'll see several options here, but don't worry, I'll break them down for you. Post now for when you want your video to go live immediately. Schedule. This is what we'll focus on today. Add to queue, perfect for batch content creation. Add to content category, great for organizing your content strategy. Draft, save your work, and come back to it later. Let's click on schedule and see what happens. A calendar pops up. Now, this is where Content Studio really excels. See that toggle at the top? You can choose between same time for all accounts or custom time for each account. This is perfect if you're managing multiple YouTube channels or want to cross-post to other platforms. Now, let's say we want to schedule our video for September 17th, 2024 at 3:00 a.m. Just click on the date, set the time, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. Click on the custom time for each account option. This is where things get really interesting. You can set different publishing times for each of your YouTube channels. This feature is perfect if you're managing multiple channels with different audience peak times. Once you've set your preferred times, hit the continue button. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're working with a team or need client approval, you can use the Send for Approval button. This initiates your approval workflow, ensuring everyone's on the same page before your video goes live. When you're ready to lock in your schedule, just hit that big blue schedule button and you're all set. And there you have it. With Content Studio, scheduling your YouTube videos is not just easy, it's strategic. You're not just posting, you're publishing with purpose at the right time to the right audience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!